Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Credit Karma affiliate program for credit monitoring, beginner guide. To activate the Credit Karma affiliate program for credit monitoring, begin by visiting the Credit Karma website. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Look for the link that says affiliate program or partners. Click on that link to access more information about the program. On the affiliate program page, you will find an overview of the benefits and requirements. Review the terms and conditions carefully to ensure you understand the program. Locate the sign up button or registration form on that page. Fill out the necessary information, including your name, email address, and any additional details requested. After completing the form, submit your application. Wait for a confirmation email from Credit Karma regarding your application status. Once approved, log into your affiliate account using the credentials you created. Explore the dashboard to find marketing materials and unique affiliate links. Choose the credit monitoring service you wish to promote. Copy your unique affiliate link provided in the dashboard. Share this link on your website, blog, or social media platforms to promote the service. Track your performance and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Make use of the resources and support offered by Credit Karma to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Continue to engage with your audience and provide valuable content related to credit monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.